Today we're comparing two of the most popular bootable USB tools, Ventoy and Rufus. And even though they both help you boot operating systems from a USB drive, they are not really trying to solve the same problem. The easiest way to think about it is this. Rufus turns your USB drive into one specific installer. Ventoy turns your USB drive into a bootable toolbox. So which one should you use? Let's break it down. Rufus is probably the tool most people have used at least once. You download a Windows ISO or a Linux ISO, select your USB drive, click Start, and Rufus writes that image to the drive. When it's done, that USB drive is now dedicated to that installer. That is simple, clean, and reliable. If you're making a Windows 11 installer, reinstalling Windows on a laptop, flashing firmware, or creating a one-time Linux installer, Rufus is a great choice. It gives you a lot of control, too. You can pick things like GPT or MBR, UEFI, or BIOS compatibility. And in many Windows 11 cases, Rufus can also offer setup customization options, like removing some hardware requirement checks or helping with local account setup. That makes Rufus especially useful when you're working on one machine and you want one very specific USB installer that just works. But here's the downside. Every time you want to change what's on the USB, you usually need to rewrite the drive. Want to switch from Windows 11 to Ubuntu? Rewrite it. Want to add a recovery ISO? Rewrite it. Want to carry Windows, Kali, Ubuntu, Clonezilla, and a rescue tool all on the same drive? That's where Rufus starts to feel limited. And that's where Ventoy comes in. Ventoy works differently. Instead of writing one ISO directly to the USB, you install Ventoy onto the drive once. After that, you just copy ISO files onto the USB like normal files. Windows ISO, drag and drop. Linux ISO, drag and drop. Recovery ISO, drag and drop. Then when you boot from the USB, Ventoy gives you a menu and you choose which image you want to boot. That is the big magic of Ventoy. You don't have to keep reformatting the drive every time you want to add or change something. You can keep multiple operating systems, rescue tools, security distros, and installers all on one USB. For IT people, technicians, home lab users, cybersecurity students, or anyone who likes testing different operating systems, Ventoy is incredibly useful. It's basically the difference between carrying one key and carrying an entire keyring. Now that does not mean Ventoy is always better. Rufus can sometimes be the better fit when you want the most straightforward, purpose-built installer possible. For example, if I'm making a USB for someone else, and I only need it to install Windows, Rufus is simple. There's no menu, no extra explanation, and no which ISO should I pick moment. It boots straight into the installer. Rufus is also great when you're dealing with picky systems, older machines, or situations where you want to control the exact USB layout. This is why I built the ultimate USB version 3 at bootable.usbs.com. It's a ready-to-use multi-boot USB loaded with Windows tools, Linux distros, recovery environments, and security utilities. No hunting for ISOs, no rebuilding drives over and over. Just plug it in, boot up, and choose what you need. Visit bootable.usbs.com. Ventoy, on the other hand, is better when flexibility matters more than simplicity. If you're constantly testing operating systems, fixing computers, carrying rescue environments, or building a toolkit you'll use again and again, Ventoy is the better long-term setup. So here's the simple recommendation. Use Rufus if you need one clean, dedicated bootable USB for one job. Use Ventoy if you want one USB drive that can hold many bootable tools at the same time. For normal home users doing a Windows install once every few years, Rufus is probably the easiest answer. For techs, power users, and anyone who works on multiple computers, Ventoy is probably the tool you'll end up loving. Personally, I don't think this is a pick one forever situation. I'd keep both. Rufus is the tool I'd reach for when I want a clean, single-purpose installer. Ventoy is the tool I'd reach for when I want a serious multi-boot USB toolkit. That's really the difference. Rufus is a dedicated installer creator. Ventoy is a portable boot menu for all your installers and tools. So the best fit depends on what kind of user you are. One computer, one install, one job, Rufus. Multiple ISOs, multiple tools, multiple machines, Ventoy. And if you're the type of person who wants Windows, Linux, recovery tools, privacy tools, and security tools all sitting on the same drive, Ventoy is hard to beat. Drop a comment and let me know which one you use.